Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I made a correction to my home. This is the inlet for my furnace, okay, and now it is pointing outside. It's not inhaling air from inside. This was never before. Only when I'm doing this renovation I found this, and I told my contractor to include this into the work also. So what you have to do is to check if your inlet is inside or outside. If it is inside, you should definitely have it outside. I'll show you why. Let me show you more. So earlier this intake here, as you see, was right here. That shape you saw, uh, the shape was like this, but I did not what do you call I did not bother about it before. Since the day I moved into this house, it was here like that, exact similar to, let me show you this. You see this hot water heater inlet, this air. Now the disadvantage is, if you have something like this in your furnace, that means from where it is inhaling the air from inside, right? But if it is outside somewhere, there this pipe is going, that means it is inhaling air from outside. So always you get fresh air from outside. And another reason that could impact is that when you take the air from inside, it's not good quality of air, right? It's not good quality of air, because already the furnace is burning the gas, throwing the hot air, and that is again going back into it. No, it should come as fresh air from outside. And there are many other reasons also, like especially what had happened just second week into the construction. At the beginning my furnace had stopped, completely stopped. It was like stopped, and I was in panic. When I checked the filter, it was damn dirty. I could not realize like how quickly it had gone. So the reason was the construction was happening over here, and still there is some dust, but initially it was much more than what you see now. So due to this, all that was going into the furnace and going into the filter. So like it had an impact on the furnace. So even for the good health of the furnace, you should have it outside. And some people say, I'm not sure about this, but because I heard it from one of my friends, so I'm saying this to you. Like if you have furnace air inhaling from inside, then somebody with infectious disease like COVID or something, they are also breathing inside. So this air may go and then travel all the way to your home. But I don't think that's credible, because first of all, I got it from one of my friends who is not an expert. Second thing, this air is gonna be like heated, right? And then it's gonna go. But still, in any way, having this outside is always better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.